Jesus comes again, it's him. It's only you. We say only you are God. Hey, till the end it's only God. Till he comes it's only God. It's only you. Say only you alone. Just acknowledge God as your Father this evening. He's not afar. He's very near. He's right beside you. So just sing unto him without wondering or minding who's beside you. Worship God in spirit and in truth. Just raise a sound to the Lord God Almighty this evening. This is how I win my battles. So this is how I win my battles. Oh. Can we sing together? It's a very popular one. The fragrance of my worship, it rose up to the Father. Noises, thunders, lightning, where the response to my worship, we say the fragrance of my worship, it rose up to the Father. With noises, thunder, lightning, where the response to, say the fragrance of my worship, rose up to the Father. Noises, thunder, lightning, where the say the fragrance of my worship, with noises, thunder, lightning, where the response, we say, first he was fragrance, then he turned to fire. My worship is, this is how I win my battle. Say first he was fragrance, then he turned to fire. My worship is my weapon. This is how I win. Say first he was fragrant, then he turned to fire. My worship is my weapon. This is how you win your battle. Say first he was fragrant, then he turned to fire. Can we say, oh,